The ex-Fekuchi Dadi military stables are now home to a spectacular, and rather unexpected black horse mural. The area that houses the stables, starting from the second half of the 19th century as a military range, is now incorporated in the Messina River Park, created by the municipality of Turin in 2001. The stables are made up of a main building, stables, and once upon a time, a riding track. The stables, which are named after the captain of the Novara Armored Group, who died in 1942 in North Africa defending his squadron from an attack by British tanks, extends over an area of land already occupied since the second half of the 19th century by the Messina military range. The track and its accompanying buildings were built near the point where two rivers converge and inside a flood box, which has been owned by the local municipality since 2001. There is no information about its establishment. Some of the buildings already existed in 1969, the year in which it appears in the revision of the Military Geographic Institute. Until 2011, the whole complex was an infrastructure belonging to the Military Application School and the Italian Army Military Studies Institute. It was used for equestrian training thanks to the presence of two open stables with a capacity for 32 horses. When the military abandoned the area, it was transferred into the Italian state in 2015, which in turn transferred the complex to the Turin municipality free of charge. Since then, the structure has been totally abandoned and numerous attempts to redevelop the structures have all been in vain, for now. Between 2019 to 2020, the adjacent green areas were made safe by the municipal administration. However, up until today, the ancient structures are still in a state of decay.